Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Inshot app to create an aesthetic video like movies. So I will be showing you in two ways, in downloading and also in editing the videos. So in that two ways, I will be showing you the first way to download, and in that downloading a section, I will be showing you some of the things you will see and you can't download, and some of the things you see that you can absolutely use. So that's what I'll be showing you in that section. While in the other area, I will be showing you how to edit, how to add them to your videos and make it look professional. So stay tuned and watch to the end to be able to know about this. Alright guys, let's continue. The video you just watched earlier are those samples of the video we will be using to edit the video. So now let's go to the first thing, how to download the GIFs you are going to be using in each videos. Go to your Google app or Chrome app, then you search for GIFs overlay for edits. So when it brings it out, you'll be able to select different type of GIFs you want to use in that video, like this. Now note, some of these GIFs that are having background, like this example now, it doesn't have background, but this black one has background. So you'll be seeing why we'll be editing. I will download it to type. So when I'm editing, you'll be able to see why I said you should download the one that doesn't have background instead of the one that has background, because the one that has background will not be able to show the video, it will only be making sound. But the one that doesn't have background will be able to show the video and also be displaying whatever it should. Alright, so now let me search for the one that doesn't have background. Now you'll see that the one that doesn't have background will be looking plain, will be looking simple. It won't have this black kind of stuff at the back. So that's how you get to see the one that has background, different from the one that doesn't have background. It will be plain, like the background will be looking like when you clean or erase the background from an image. Can you see what I'm saying? This is how exactly it usually look like. So when you see something like this, you know you'll be able to put them in your video and it will also display. And like the other ones we saw earlier, which are having backgrounds, so those type won't display in your video. Instead, they will be covering the video itself. You can't put them as an overlay on top of your video. That's what this is just trying to tell us, how to add GIFs to your videos and it will still show, instead of adding GIFs to your video and the video won't show but the GIFs will be showing. You'll see that's why we're editing. So now let's get started. I hope you are able to download some of these things and use them for different purposes. But anyway, this is basically how to download all of that. Okay, let's move on. Now let's go to edit. I'll be using my Inshot app. As you all know, I love to use this app because it's easier for a beginner on YouTube to be able to edit, simple editing. Now I will be selecting the video just to show you how to use it. Then I will now be using a movie like video clip to show you how it will now look like perfectly. Now I just import the video as I said earlier. So I will be moving into a particular spot where I feel like, okay, this is exactly where I want that GIF to show. So I will be clicking on my sticker and selecting the GIFs that I downloaded into my phone. So this is how it's going to be looking like. Now look at the one with plain white and look at the one with black as we saw earlier. Now the plain white is the one that is showing on the video. As you can see, the video is plain and the plain white is also showing. Now let's compare it with the black one without a white background. So I will be opening my sticker again, then I will be selecting the black type. Now I will be expanding it so you guys can see how it looks like. Because it's having a black background, it's not transparent. That's why you won't be seeing the video, but you'll be seeing the clip, the clip will be talking but the video itself won't display. So that's why you don't use this type, you don't download this type, except maybe you have another reason for downloading this type. But if it is for a video, film like aesthetic video stuff, it's best to download a transparent one. I hope you understand. Now this is how the black normally looks like. You can only edit it just to add some fun in it, but it doesn't show in the video, like it covers the video. Now let's take a look at another example of a transparent background, like this font or style I downloaded. You can see I just expand it and I'll be playing it. Can you see how it's moving, how it's going on its own without even me editing? And look at the previous one we did earlier too. So that's how this type of transparent background is being used. So now let's try it on this movie that you watched earlier. So I will be clicking on sticker again and adding it onto the movie. Let's say how it's going to be looking like. Just like the way you saw it earlier, I can only just expand and make it from beginning to the end. If you don't know how to use Inshot, if you don't know how to use the Inshot app, you can check my playlist to see the video about Inshot. So alright guys, this is personal development in video. I teach and train young YouTubers, new YouTubers, things to know about YouTube. So if this is what you're interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.